What happened to Vislink Technologies? So in the last couple of weeks, what we have seen is that it reported its earnings outcomes on the 16th of May 2022, and then before that time, about a month before that time, it says Vislink taps Hitachi Kokusai Electric Comac as reseller of video communication solutions. This was in April. It says Vislink said on Tuesday, the 19th of April, that it has reached a partnership deal with Hitachi Kokusai Electric Comac to be the authorized reseller of Vislink's real-time video communication solutions for the North American broadcast digital market. Under the agreement, Comac will offer Vislink's IP-Link 3.0 digital video microwave system for next-gen TV deployment to broadcasting organizations. So that's about what happened to the stock over to the company over the last few weeks. And then coming back to the next question is VISL expected to go up? Well, going by what we have seen concerning this stock, we have seen that it's been on a underlying trend. You can clearly see is a bearish one. It's definitely also a growth stock. But the thing is that before the sell-off that happened in January of this year, or rather early this year, Vislink VISL wasn't really it didn't really have an upward trend as such. The last time it had anything that looked like an upward trend was probably all the way back to the fall of last year, when the underlying trend was still bullish, but or rather the underlying trend was sloping up. You can see this was around the fall of last year. That was the last time it was maybe fall of last year. So going by that, we can't exactly say that it is declining because the broader market has declined, because before that time it wasn't really rallying as such, so we can't really say that it's expected to go up, but at the same time that can possibly be the case. But the underlying trend doesn't look that helpful at all. So going by what we have seen here of late, it has started to rally, but which is just some respite, after reaching this 52-week low on the 52-week low of $0.63 on the 11th of May 2022. But so going by that, we can't exactly say that it's really expected to, if anything, expected to continue to decline and all that stuff. So and the other question is Vislink working with SpaceX? Yes, Vislink. Let's see. It has a couple of tweets here, and it says here Vislink. SpaceX opens pre-orders for Starlink satellite internet, allowing customers to put down a $99 deposit with a target coverage date either 2021 or 2022 more on the project. So this is a tweet from Vislink. And then we also have another one here. With SpaceX successfully launching its nascent broadband service, Starlink's last week seeded shares have more launches and potentially coming, which could eventually result in more than 100 broadband being released in orbit. Okay, so well, yes, maybe, but these are their own tweets. They may be working with SpaceX. Okay, so the next question is VISL stock a good buy? So going by what we have said earlier on, it doesn't going by what we can clearly see, it's evidently it doesn't look like a good buy, going by all we have been seeing of late. But never say never, you know. And at the same time, we're also seeing that the short interest is only 7.17%. It is something, still something. Before the pandemic, this is still something as well. You know, this will be highly regarded, 7.17, but of late, it's absolutely nothing. We know people are looking at the short interest from at least 20%, and there's a good reason for that. You know, it seems also Vislink is not out there as the person that prompted this video indicated. They're not out there doing promotions and all that stuff. Maybe that could be the reason why there isn't a huge amount of short interest there, because they're not blustering and boasting about things. Maybe that's why we haven't seen a significant amount of short interest concerning the stock. And also it seems it has some following, I think, but maybe the short interest was more than what it was today, but currently it is just not there, but it's still something. It is still something, you know. So that is 7% of its of the value of its float, which is still something. At 7% can definitely change everything, you know. So going by that, VISL is for us not a wonderful buy, you know. If you want to get involved, you know, do so, because of fundamental reasons you have concerning the stock, you know. Do so. And but there's every chance that it may continue to retrace, you know. That's, you know, something that's really likely, you know. But at the same time, there's always an opportunity to, you know, do short-term plays, you know. If you do short-term plays, you know, take up a position. If it's not doing so well and it averages down, you might decide to pick up a few more, you know. But, you know, always with sums you can always afford to ignore and lose at the same time. But going by all of these things, we have seen that it has a couple of resistances at $0.95. These are usually where it has the price has converged with its some of its moving averages. You can see that 0.95. This was as of the 2nd of March 2022, and then the next one is $1.25. This was on the 4th of January. No, sorry, that was 1st of April 2022. 1st of April. So no, the other one is this 0.95 was on the 3rd of March. Okay, 3rd of March. So this is definitely 4th of January this year. And then the 1.42 as of the 8th of December of last year. And then 1.76 as of the 3rd of November of last year as well. And then the 1.91 as of the 1st of October last year. So these are some of the resistances we have. And then we have also been able to determine that it has a potential target of $1.17. With this, we take it all the way back to where it was rejected on the 29th of March this year. 29th of March this year. This is where that rejection. Okay, this is where that rejection is. 29th of March. Yes, 1.17, around that level. That was where it was rejected. So that's based on what it has done of late since last month. Over a period of 1 month now, you know, we think it has that potential to come back to this this May 29th level, whose price is at 1.17. So see what you make of VISL stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.